Everyone, we are Solauth. We are building the one-place sign-in platform on Solana, which has social recovery features. Recently, we won Super Team Turkey Solana Hackathon, and today I will introduce you our application. To come up with this project, we have observed some problems, and first I will briefly mention those problems. First problem we observed is that when you enter a Web2 application, first thing you're looking for is a button which lets you to sign into this application with an existing profile. But on the Web3 ecosystem, this is not the case, and you have to create different profiles for each decentralized application, and this is really frustrating. Second problem we observed is that if you lose your password on a Web2 application, you have multiple ways to recover that password. But on the Web3 ecosystem, if you lose your private keys, you lose everything linked with it, your profile, your funds, and there is no way to recover it. Third problem we observed is that normal wallet connection doesn't have a native session system. For example, when you're playing a decentralized game, unless developers implement session system explicitly, you have to start from the beginning if you disconnect. This is where Solauth comes with solutions. On our platform, users can build their Solana profiles, generate their social recovery wallets, and connect to applications using this one Solana profile. This gives them more ownership and responsibility over their own digital identity. And here are some use cases and solutions to these problems that I have mentioned. First of all, for the problem of starting over every time users disconnect, we create a session system where users can save their data and keep playing where they left off if they disconnect from a game. Secondly, in case users lose their private keys, we provide social recovery features. Using our platform, users can assign wardens, the people they trust, and if they lose their private keys, those wardens can help them to recover their profiles and their funds linked with that profile. Last but not least, we provide documentation and software development kit for developers. Our project is open source, and currently on our GitHub pages, developers can find brief explanation about how they can implement Solauth system, and they can also find some demo applications to see as an example. Now let's inspect how our application works. Firstly, when they enter the application, they can connect with their wallets and they can generate their Solana profiles. After generating their profiles, they simply sign into the platform and they can simply edit their profiles. On the My Wallet page, they can generate social recovery wallets linked with those profiles, so that if profiles are lost, they can use the social recovery function with assigning wardens and recover both the profile and both the funds. And thanks to Solana's high speed and near zero cost, they can send funds and withdraw funds from this wallet. On the wardenings page, people can help others to recover their wallets if they were assigned as wardens. And now let's see how this one button connection happens with login with Solauth. After creating their profiles, they can continue and log into other applications using Solauth. And this is a demo application that we have built. It has Solauth implementation. And they can simply sign the message and it will get their profile and they will be connected to the application. This is how our demo application works. Alright, in Solana ecosystem, there are many applications that can integrate Solauth and benefit from its composability, and users can use their one profile to sign into these applications. One of our main goals is to meet Web3 needs to attract non-crypto native people into a Web3 ecosystem and with gaining their trust, serving them a social recovery wallet and profile. There are also mainstream Web2 applications that have Web3 components, such as Twitter NFTs, and they need wallet integration. With our system, users can sign into these applications and use these Web3 components natively. When we take a look at our competitors, there is no exact same project as Solauth. There is Web3 Auth and sign in with Ethereum. Web3 Auth doesn't have a social recovery feature, and sign in with Ethereum is only on Ethereum. Both has no profile implementations to use on the other decentralized applications. And as a business model, the first revenue source of Solauth will be the fees for creating an account and assigning wardens. Also, we are going to offer premium features for customizing profiles, and furthermore, we are planning to have a subscription plan for applications using our authentication system. Here are some comments and reviews from the future possible customers of Solauth. And here is our roadmap after the Grizzlython. In the first 2 months, we are planning to have a more solid product, have an exclusive design and solid documentation for developers. Then we will launch our testnet. After then, we will launch our business model and start integrating applications. Then we will launch our beta application. This is the team of Solauth. We are META students from Turkey, Ankara. And thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day.